Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX, and in today's video, I've got something really special for you guys. A free VST plugin called Bell and Bone. It's a jazz, age, trumpet, and trombone sample library that's available for both Windows, Mac, and Linux. So guys, let's dive in and check it out. So here we are inside the Bell and Bone plugin. Right off the bat, you can see it's got a sleek and intuitive interface, and it's perfect for anyone, whether you are just starting up or a seasoned pro. One of the standout features of Bell and Bone is its variety of mutes. As you can see on this section, it has the bucket, the cob, the hammond, and this gives you a lot of flexibility in shaping the sound of the trumpet or trombone you are trying to create. But that's not all. The library includes a selection of idiomatic articulations that is over to this section here. They got doits, shakes, rips, and falls, while really bringing that authentic jazz age feel to your music. Now, as you can see here, you can see the performance, the staccato fall, the staccatissimo, the double tongue, and the shakes, and that is under the trombone. So when you switch to the trumpet, you can now see the rips, the shakes, the duets, the double tongue, and all that. Now, this is super cool. The performance articulation, as you can see here, it adapts to your playing style in real time, allowing you to perform legato, trills, slides, and other natural articulations effortlessly. This makes your music sound incredibly lifelike and expressive. So let's talk about the sustain articulations. They have been carefully phased aligned to minimize artifacts during dynamic crossfades. This means you got smooth, seamless transitions without any unwanted noise, and that's pretty cool. And here is another big plus. Bell and Bone is really light on your RAM and CPU usage, so you don't need to worry about that lagging stuff on your computer, especially if you're using a low capacity computer. So even if you're working on a project with tons of tracks, you won't have to worry about overloading your system. Now, about the installation, it's pretty simple and straightforward. The library runs with the free Rhapsody player, which makes setup a breeze, very easy. So all you need to do is to first of all download the Rhapsody player, which is free. Then after downloading it, you need to create an account with Libre Wave. Then once you've downloaded the Rhapsody player, you now launch Rhapsody player, log in with your account ID on Libre Wave. Then once you log in, you now see the Bell and Bone. Click on it and install. Pretty easy. Just to recap, all you need to do is just download the Rhapsody player, install Bell and Bones, and you are good to go. So let's quickly have demo to hear how this plugin sounds. But before that, you can see it has a velocity section, envelope section, articulation section that we talked about earlier with the mutes, and the dynamics, the vibrato, and the effects. Now we'll start with the velocity, and I'm just going to play and I adjust it so that you can hear the impact on the sound. I believe you heard what that was adding to the sound, right? It was determining how fast it comes in or how sharp it comes in, more like the attack. Okay, now let's check out the envelope section. And I believe you understand, this is just the attack, the delay, the sustain, and the release. All right, let's check out the mute. All right, guys, I believe you heard it. And there is something else I discovered I want to also point out. I noticed that the output of this plugin is pure mono. Let me show you what I mean. So I just engage this analyzer, stereo analyzer. Now see. So in my own opinion, I think it all depends on what you want to achieve with this anyways. You can decide to still use it the way it is and pan it to certain space in the stereo field, okay? But from the developer's page, there is a video there. I think the suggestion the guy gave is pretty interesting. He was talking about adding some sort of stereo imager to like spread it out of the center and then use something like a good reverb to enhance the texture. I couldn't do it here, but feel free to try it out, and let us know what you think in the comments. And there you have it, Bell and Bone. It's an amazing free VST plugin that brings the rich, authentic sounds of the jazz age trumpet and trombone right to your door. Head over to the developer's website, download the version that matches your OS, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, and follow the simple instruction steps. In just a few minutes, you will have this incredible plugin ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy music making.